Yes, this is Across FX. Welcome to my channel. So today, I'll be doing top-down analysis. So this video is for some of you guys that are finding it difficult to analyze from the higher time frame. Okay, because I love analyzing from the higher time frame, and as well, I'll be showing you how I got my trade this week on Tuesday. Okay, how I got my buy. So let's do the top down analysis so that it will look more easier for you guys. So now, if you look at the trend, you can see that we have been bearish for a long period of time. Okay, we've been bearish for a long period of time. But if some of you guys understand how the Fibonacci works, you will really love this video. Okay, price move from what? From internal liquidity to external liquidity, from external liquidity to internal liquidity. Those are the two things that market does every time. Okay, and what are the internal liquidity? We have fair value gap or order block. Okay, fair value gap, order block, or mitigation block. Okay, and if you take a look at the trend, you can see that we are bearish, right? So after price took this low, this is monthly time frame. Look, if you take your Fibonacci from this old high, this is your old high. Okay, now you are expecting market to do what? To move from this high to take out this external liquidity. Okay, so market moved from this high and it took out this external liquidity. That was how we got this low, right? So now, if you now measure your Fibonacci, now immediately price go to this low. Okay, if you understand how internal and external liquidity works, you must have known that after this break of structure, price needs to retrace back, okay, to mitigate what? To come to this, you see this leg that you are seeing, this is where internal liquidity is, okay. So what are you anticipating on this leg? You are looking for either fair value gap or an order block or mitigation block. Okay, those are the three things you are looking for. If when market is tracing back to your premium zone or discount zone. So now price move from this low to internal liquidity. Okay, before continuing to the downward. Now when price move, it go to this fair value gap. It gave us a little retracement, then return back to mitigate this what? This order block. This is the order block, okay? This is the order block. This is the order block, and to mitigate this order block, because if you take a look at this internal structure, you can see that we have a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower highs. Where is the candle that take out the liquidity? This is the candle that took out liquidity. There you go. This is the candle that took out liquidity. And so this is your order block candle that you want to mark out. Okay. So now I think I've explained what internal liquidity is for you guys. So now we want to move from external liquidity to internal liquidity. So now price has already gotten to internal liquidity, then we are expecting to continue to the downward to take out this what? External liquidity. So now when price got there, we've been bearish for a long period of time. Now, how do I know that we will continue bearish? Or how do I know that we're in a bullish move at this moment? Now, If you take a look at this move, you can see that it's been very for a long time. And price did what? Price took out this low, which is what? Price took out the what? This hold low. So which is what? External liquidity. And after external liquidity, we are anticipating on what? We are waiting for price to retrieve back to at least equilibrium level or premium level. So at least come to this 50% level or break it a little bit or come to mitigate any other block around there. So now, if you take a look at this chart, okay, like I said earlier, what are the internal liquidity? You have fair value gap, you have order block or mitigation block. Okay. Now, if you take a look at this leg, you can see that this move has already mitigated this order block, right? This move has already mitigated it. Now, if you take a look at this move, do we have order block around it? Yes, we have. So, sorry, fair value gap. Yes, we have. We will take a look at it. This is monthly time frame, okay? We are actually doing top-down analysis. Now, if you use your Fibonacci, you mark it from the hold high to the hold low. You can see that now this is where the fair value gap is, which is our internal liquidity. Now, price is retracing back to premium level. Now, the buy that is happening right now, okay, is the retracement on the monthly. But you know what you're actually doing, you should be able to cut the buy. I think since last 2 weeks now. So you should be able to take some buys to this what? To the premium zone before we continue dropping to the downside. Okay? So now, this is monthly. We are retracing to the premium already. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay? This is my bias. Okay? Throughout this February. So by March, we should continue what? Dropping to the downside. So now, let's go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, okay, now if you take a look at the move, you can see that market moves to the downside like this, lower low, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, okay, this is a low. So price is giving us what? Lower highs, okay, to take out what was it called? To mitigate monthly fair value gap before we continue double to the downside. We are not the market maker. Market maker, they can decide to do what? To continue moving to the upside, to come to this fair value gap, this weekly fair value gap, or what? Because this is the order block. Okay, this is the weekly order block. And if you take a look at this move, immediately price gave us change in state of delivery around it. Price have already mitigated it. This move, this candle that you are seeing has already mitigated this order block. That was why we had this long expansion to the downside. That was why we had the expansion to the downside. But you know, market makers, they can do whatever they like, okay? Even if the market gets to this level, which is this monthly fair value gap, they can decide to do what? To move the price to this fair value gap again before continuing to the downside. Okay? All you have to do is to follow the trend. Okay? So on the weekly time frame, you can see price gave us this high, we have this low, we have this high. Okay? Now price close what? Price closed bullish. So by next week, I expect price to continue moving to the upside to mitigate this monthly internal liquidity. So now, on the weekly time frame, so we can see that market is in a bullish direction now on the weekly time frame. So now let's go to the daily because I'm trying to show you guys how I got my entry on Tuesday. So On the daily time frame, you can see that we are bullish. Okay, how do we know? It's because of the monthly bias. So now on the daily time frame, you can see that we've been bullish for some weeks now. So, and I don't normally trade on Monday. I don't trade on Monday. So this was Monday candle. So I waited till Tuesday. Okay, till Tuesday. So on Tuesday, this is Tuesday candle. Okay, I think I got my entry around middle section. So, and I like to execute my trade from the 1 hour time frame. So now this is Monday candle. So on Tuesday, let's dive to 1 hour. So this is Monday candle. The price wave. You can see that price has been ranging for some days. So let's go back to daily and let me show you how I got the entry. So immediately Monday candle closed. Okay. So price swept price wave was price swept the Monday candle. So this was Monday candle, okay. And if we take a look at it, together with this last Thursday candle, which is this previous daily candle, you can see that price Tuesday candle swept it. Immediately Tuesday candle swept the previous day candle. Okay, so I was anticipating on taking the buy because there is no what do I call it? So there is no momentum around here. Okay, there is no momentum around it. So with the monthly view, I can see that our market might continue moving to the upside to take out what to mitigate the internal liquidity that we mark out on the monthly time frame. Okay, so on the daily, so I did not do anything on Monday. So I was waiting for price to take out this liquidity. Okay, I was waiting for price to take out the previous day high. I mean previous day low candle. Okay, so on Tuesday price does that. So then I went to the 1 hour time frame. So I went to the 1 hour time frame. So this was the low, previous day low that price swept. Okay, so where is the candle that swept the liquidity? So this was the candle that swept the liquidity. So this was the candle that swept the liquidity. Okay, so and I was waiting for change in state of delivery, waiting for market structure shift. So I waited for around the New York section, I mean London section. So price consolidates a little bit. Okay, so around London, price consolidates. So I was waiting for price to give me something clearer. During New York. Okay, so immediately we have shift in trend around there. So I set my so immediately we have shift in trend. So you can see the market created another what was it called? Another candle. You can see take a look at this candle. Okay, you can see after this candle, this is on the daily time frame with what I mark out on the daily time frame. This whole move, okay, this whole move is my order block. Okay, but I can decide to do what? Not to use this because of what I'm seeing on the 1 hour time frame. You can see the price gave us a trend on the 1 hour time frame. So I can decide to use this candle as my order block because if you take a look at it on 1 hour time frame, you can see the market swept this candle swept this low. Okay, so I can decide to use this, but I will not use it immediately because immediately we have this shifting trend. You can see the market will turn back to mitigate this order block candle. Okay. I didn't mean I want to use this candle as my order block. Immediately market take it out, I can actually enter my trade from here and my stop loss will be here. But I don't want my stop loss to be too large. Okay, that was why when market mitigated this or the block. Okay, so I waited for price to give me another break. So on the 15 minutes time frame, price actually broke this high. Then I was anticipating on buying from here. Immediately this move took this high. Okay, so I've set my pending order already, and my stop loss was around there. So. I think my stop loss was around here. Yes, then I took one to three, one to three high. Okay, and I took one to three high R. So this was the trade. I think I have it on my Telegram. So this was the trade. Yes, I have it. This was the trade. This was before, and this was after. This was after. So that's how I got my entry on the GBP USD. So I'll be dropping more video. I got my entry on Euro USD. I I traded CPI on Wednesday. So I'll drop another video on that. Thank you very much, guys. So please like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, please tell me in the comment section. Thank you.